In primetime news this evening, not doing enough. Why a woman whose child was hit by a policeman in a motor vehicle accident believes the authorities are taking the matter lightly.
Clarendon residents bemoan uptick in burglaries.
And opposition raises alarm about transfer of JUTC routes to route taxes. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International, that's in the Cayman Islands, or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kelisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Kelisha, I tell you what, development, a multi-billion-dollar urban center is set to rise in Bonebrook, Port Antonio with a price tag of over $4 billion. I'll give you the details in the financial week.
And Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Gio. Well, the West Indies women rebounded from their opening game loss to record a victory at the ICC Women's World Cup qualifiers in Pakistan today. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
Thanks, Spencer. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your expectations now that the Reggae Boys, along with Panama, Guatemala, and Guadeloupe, have been drawn in Group C of the CONCACAF Gold Cup?
Now you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Surely Jamaica can qualify for that. That isn't a big name in that group at all. Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.